Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to transfer money from OPay to a bank account. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your OPay app, and once you launch your OPay app, at the top of the screen you're going to find transaction history and you're going to find add money. Or check the bottom of the screen, you're going to see the finance icon, so click on finance. And once you click on finance, within the finance section, go ahead and tap on wallet. And wallet is going to take you here. Now, in this wallet, you're going to see withdraw option. Just go ahead and select withdraw. So now it says withdraw via OPay merchant or withdraw with OPay card. Anyone that you want to choose. Now, you may not necessarily need to go through the step of just clicking on wallet and clicking on withdrawal, when you can just easily head over to home and select select to OPay, to bank, or withdraw. All right, at the bottom of the screen. So just go ahead and tap on to bank because you want to transfer to bank. So once you get in here, you have this option that says recipient account. Now, enter this 10-digit account number, whatever bank that you want to send money to, or you want to transfer money to from your OPay. Go ahead and enter the bank account number. Then, once you enter the bank account number, go ahead and enter the bank. Go ahead and choose the bank from the list of options that you want to transfer money to. All right, now, once you do that, the next step is to input the amount you wish to transfer from your OPay wallet to your bank account. After that, review the details of your withdrawal, including the amount and bank account information. And once confirmed, just go ahead and just tap pay, and that's it. You'll be able to complete the transaction. Now, after successful transfer, you'll see the notification confirming the transfer. The funds should reflect in the bank account that you sent it to shortly. Now, bank transfers may take up to 24 hours to process depending on your bank. But for OPay, it's just very instant. So be aware of any withdrawal limits imposed by OPay or your bank, and check for any applicable fees associated with bank transfers. Now, go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.